Hey guys, welcome back to Sunday Potluck. I am going to be cooking a recipe out of the third edition of the O Taste and See cookbook, and it is called Martha's Hawaiian Chicken Salad. So I never met Miss Martha, but she used to be in the church evidently a long time ago, and she's no longer there. And so, but somebody else put the recipe in the cookbook, so I'm gonna be making it. And I went ahead and chopped up all of my stuff so that y'all didn't have to watch me cut stuff up. So anyway, so here's what we got. Okay, first thing you're gonna need is 4 cups of cubed cooked chicken. So we'll throw that in there. A half a cup of finely diced celery. A half a cup of finely diced green or white onion. 1 can of 1 12-ounce can of pineapple tidbits drained, and I couldn't find tidbits, so I just got slices and cut those up. 1 1/2 cups of seedless white grapes cut in half. 3/4 cups of slivered almonds. Okay, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. I did not go ahead and pre-measure that, so there's that. 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, and then it just says mayonnaise. Doesn't give an amount. So it just says to stir in mayonnaise until it's to the desired consistency. So I'm just going to put a couple of globs in there and a bonus glob and stir this up. And then it says to you chill it until you're ready to eat it. Chill for a little bit. It doesn't say for how long. It just says chill and serve on a bed of lettuce or croissants, and I've got croissants for lunch today, so that is the quickest, easiest. There you go. That's Martha's Hawaiian Chicken Salad, and I am gonna taste this. So I like all of these things in here, so we're just gonna get a little bit of everything. I think I got a little bit of everything on this bite, so let's try it. I like it. It's different, but I really like it. So I'm gonna chill this and get it ready for lunch a little bit. So if you haven't already, subscribe to Sunday Potluck and see what I'm cooking next. And don't forget to like the video. Thanks a lot. See you later. Bye.